First is Node.js or JavaScript. I have already made a video on Node.js, JavaScript, Dockerfile concept and containerized application of the JavaScript or the Node.js of my resume matcher application. I have made a detailed video. You can watch that video so you can have idea on this JavaScript in detail. I have also made a video on multi-stage builds. What is multi-stage build and how it is different from a single Dockerfile with a single stage or within the single build. You can watch these both videos first to have idea on these basics of Dockerfile multi-stage build and at least Node.js or JavaScript Dockerfile, because I will be explaining the concepts with respect to that Node.js comparison. However, I will give you a basic understanding of this, that is JavaScript. So first is stage 1, that is builder stage, and we have stage 2, that is runtime. Why do we have two stages in this Dockerfile? Because we have implemented the concept of multi-stage builds. Multi-stage build says that create stages in a Dockerfile so the image is lean, lightweight and more secure. If we had implemented a single stage Dockerfile, it would be really heavy because it would have unnecessary build tools, build binaries that are actually not required in the runtime environment. So multi-stage build differentiates these in the stages. So in the final stage, we only take the artifacts or the build tools that are required so the image is small. In the first stage, we install build dependencies, libraries, etc. We copy the packages, we create the build, all these steps in the first stage, and there comes the second stage or the final stage where we only use the required files from the stage 1. That means we only copy the build output and package manifest from the stage 1. So instead of copying everything from the stage 1, that would bloat or make the image heavy. We only copy the required build output from the stage 1 so the image is small. That was basic understanding of multi-stage build. Now let's understand this. This Node.js Dockerfile also has two stages. First stage is builder stage and second is the runtime stage. In the first stage, we have use from statement, that is the base image, and referenced it as the builder. Working directory is /app run apk until build base. This is to install the dependencies required for my application. Copy package run npm ci. This is to copy the manifest and install the dependencies for my application. Copy dot is to copy entire steps, entire what we did into the current folder. Run npm build, npm run build is to run and build this stage 1. That was about stage 1. Now stage 2, the runtime. Same, we have taken node 20 slim, that is the base image. Working directory is /app. Here comes the main part, that is we only copy the build output from the stage 1 in the second stage so the image is small. We have copied distribution until package.json. So these are the build output that are required. Run npm ci only production. This only installs the production dependencies required. Expose 3000. This is to expose port 3000. That means application will run on port 3000. cmd code server.js. cmd means command. Whatever inside the cmd simply is command used to run our application locally. While building this application resume matcher to debug or to fix the application, while building the application, I ran my application by using node server.js in my command prompt while I was in the application folder. And while running node server.js, it activated backend as well as the front end. So here cmd also does the same. It activates that node server.js command so the application is running. I have that idea because I have ran my application locally in the cmd. After doing this node server.js, my application was running on the port localhost. In the here cmd does the same thing. It runs this command and the application runs on the port 3000. So that was about JS or Node.js.